Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Today, we are going to learn another topic about AI and Power BI, the hidden ingredient of standard visual.
Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's go.
So, at first, we need some data for our explanation. For this, I have used the same data set which I have used my earlier videos, like this US Superstore data. Also, I have created one date table. So today we are going to find out the inside feature of a standard visual. Standard visual means like bar chart, line chart, area chart, our stack clustered bar chart, stack clustered column chart, all those things. Okay. So what I have done, I have first created one line chart. Simply date hierarchy and total sales value. You can observe the 2014, after that data is in a decreasing order. That means in 2015 sales is in a decreasing way. Then 2016 again increasing the sales. Now it's a simple line chart, but let me show you. If you go to this 2016 and if you want to know what is the reason behind this increasing sales data, just right click, go to analyze, and you can find out so many options, but just go to analyze and click on this explain the increase. It will show you the reason behind this increased data point. Just click on this and you can observe all the explanation in details. What is the reason behind of this sales or increasing? Okay, first, what all the products are involved for this sales data? Why the data is increasing 29.47% of increase in total sales between 2015 and 2016. Okay, and this is a by product name report, total sales by year, the product ID. You can hide this product ID from your field section, then this information will not be visible because we don't need this product ID. Similarly, this showing the order ID, which order ID is in increasing order or decreasing order, and as well as you can observe the customer ID. You can come through this customer name, which all the customer names are involved for this increasing way and decreasing order area. So this way you can find out what is the reason behind of this increasing sales amount and what all the dimension values are involved, like year, segment, product, customer, all these things. So this is another way. Let me click on this 2015 value and you can observe this is also in a decreasing order. So right click, analyze and explain the decrease. Then it will show you what is the reason behind of this sales data, where the sales data information is in a decreasing order. And first it will provide the subject that 2.83% decrease in total sales between 2014 and 2015, and these are all the reasons. Which week number, then in which weekday the sales order is in a decreasing. It will show you the order ID. What is the which order ID are the had the largest decrease amount among the other order ID. Similarly, the subcategory. For example, the suppliers, the machines, this subcategory are the major reason for this sales value, decreasing sales value. Similarly, all the product name. So in this way also, you can find out the detailed explanation about this data. And definitely it will provide the some insightful information from this simple line chart. I will give you another example. Let me create one bar chart. Okay, where I am going to select one category information, that this is our product category, and total sales information. This is a simple bar chart. Okay, just go to, and you can observe the data is distributed among these three categories. Just right click, analyze, find where the distribution is different. In this case, there is no increasing or decreasing kind of data point. So anywhere, any of this bar area, you can right click and analyze and find where this distribution is different. Just click on this, and in this way you can find out all the cause behind this distribution. Okay, so you can observe which are the most effective distribution for which city is in which state is very mostly involved: Florida, Michigan, Ohio. Then again by month, March, August, December, this month are more effective for this distribution. Similar way, you can hide all those numbers. So in this way you can find out all the dimension value for this sales distribution. Okay, and if you deselect this comparing proportion, you can find out this data is an absolute value. Okay, an absolute value comparison. Now I will show you how you can use this insightful feature in your report page. Just click on this link. It will show you add to page. If I click on this report is automatically added to your report page. Similar way, if you want to add more reports in your report page, then just already this country state information is already available. So I will select this month information. I'm just add it, and it is automatically added to your report page. We can do the similar functionalities in our previous reports. Just right click, analyze, explain the increase, and just click on this. So this way you can provide a complete report page to your customer, which will have a detailed explanation for each and every increase value or decrease value, or the data distribution value, the reason behind of this. So we don't need to deep down into the data point manually. The Power BI is providing all the information in this way, and this is related to our artificial intelligence part of this Power BI.
I hope you like this tutorial. Please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.